I am Asif Umer and our today's activity is making bubbles solution. In this activity, we are going to learn what is evaporation. For this, required things are number 1, 240 ml distilled water, number 2, 8 ml glycerin, and number 3 is dishwashing liquid 16 ml. I am going to mix all together. Glycerin 8 ml, dishwashing liquid 16 ml, our bubble solution is ready. Plastic dropper, I am going to cut dropper at the top. After cutting, I am going to dip dropper inside the bubble solution. Now if I will blow, our next activity is bubble into bubble. Are you ready? For making bubble into bubble activity, I am going to pour small amount of water on the table. After dipping, I am going to blow. After making bubble, I am going to make bubble into bubble. You can see bubble into bubble. 3 bubbles together. 4 bubbles. I hope you like this activity. Bubbles popped because of evaporation. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos.